Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create a customer master or how to create individual customer account. So let's start. Now we need to go to the settings. On the right hand side on the top, you can see a button of setting. So you click on the downward arrow, you will get some options. Come to the second major options of invoice and bills, and here you can see an option of customers. So click on the customers. Now there are two ways you can create customer account. One is by creating individual customer account. Suppose you have one new customer, so you just go and add that customer. Or the other way is, suppose you are shifting from any other software that you were using, accounting software that you were using earlier, or Excel that you were using. Now you're shifting to Wave accounting. So you have a number of customers in your list that you want to shift to your Wave account. Now you don't have to go one by one and click on add customer and then add one by one. You can directly go and import that file into your Wave account. So I'm going to show you both the ways. First we'll start how to include one customer. So we click on add a customer button on the top right side. Click on add customer. So it's opening now here. So as you click on add customer, this screen is going to open. Now you can enter the name of the customer here, email ID, the company's name. So I will add the name as QWE Limited, and then go to email. I will add some .gmail something at the rate of .we dot at the rate of gmail.com. Now the first name, the last name. So suppose I add Mr. X, last name something you put, and then currency. What is the currency in which customer you are going to bill the customer. And there is a toggle button where you can include the additional informations like account number, phone number, mobile number, website, country, in which country it is. India, suppose I choose India. Here the province. So it's getting loaded now, and the address, whatever address it is, I'm just putting some address here. Anything, city, if you want, just a city that you can put. Now I am putting some pin code. So if you have any the address, if it is different from the address that you are going to have for shipping, you can tick on the check the box shipping address, and then you can include the shipping address as well if it is different, and if it is same, you can just keep it same. So and click on save. So this is how you are going to add a single customer. So this is added now. As you can see, if you want at any point of time to edit any information, you can go to this button, this small pen shape, you edit. This is an edit button. If you want to delete, you can delete it here. Now I'm going to show you how to import a list of customer. If you are having, you don't need to go and add one by one. So here is the button, you can see here import from, beside the add a customer. Now if you click here, you have two options. You can either do it in CSV file or you can do it in Google Contacts. So I'm going to do it in CSV file. CSV file is nothing but an Excel. You can convert that file to CSV by clicking on save as, then and selecting the CSV format, which I'm going to show you right now how to do it. I'm going to show you, I have a CSV file. I'm going to show you how to save a file as CSV. Now this is a CSV file uploader. Here you can upload, and I'm going to show you how you can save a file. So this is the format in which there is a particular format in which you need to enter those customer information, and this is the format. This format, as I'm going to share with you in you can download this also from Wave. Also, I am going to share it in the lectures, so you can download it from there as well. I'm going to just show you, it's there in the Wave account also. Here you can download and view our customer CSV template. That template is given to you here, and then I'm going to show you what are the information that is needed. The company, this is company name, first name, last name, email. This is the format in which you have to upload it. So I have added two customers here, and everything I have included their first name, last name, email, phone, address. So two things that you need to be careful about is, otherwise the file might give you an error. One thing is, the first thing is the country. You have to choose a particular format. You cannot give the full name of the country. The country's selection has to be here. See here, you can see the country, the customer's country in iOS code. So you have to use the iOS code for the country that you are selecting. iOS code is, if you click here, you will get all the iOS code for all the countries. Once you click there, it goes directly to the Wikipedia, and here below you can see all the iOS code of the countries. See here, you can see here all the countries iOS code. So if I want India, I will go to India, and then here I'm going to show you it's India, and IN is the code, iOS code. So you have to be careful. You have to select IN, not INDIA, India. It has to be IN, otherwise it's going to give you an error. So just be careful about this. And the second thing is about the currency. Also you have to use the iOS code. So here is the iOS code. If you click here, it's again going to take you to the Wikipedia, and you can find all the iOS code below for the currency. Suppose if you want to use your dollar USD, then it's USD that you are going to take. Suppose it is INR, Indian currency, then it's going to be INR. See here, it's INR, Indian rupee. Suppose I want to take US dollar, it's going to be USD as per the iOS code. We generally use that. Just to be careful, you have to use United States dollar, it's going to be USD. So these two things you have to be careful, otherwise it's not going to give you any error if you use that format. Only these two things you have to be a little careful about. And so I'm going to show you how to upload this. I have saved it. Now I'm just yes, I'm going to choose the same file that I have shown you. Also I'm going to show you, I just need to show you one more thing, that is your how to save that file as your CSV, in a CSV format. So this is how you are going to, if this is an Excel file, you can, if this is an Excel file, if you make it, then you can go to save as, and then if you download this from Wave, then this is going to be in CSV format. You don't need to again do the same thing. And if you can also download it from my lectures. I'm going to attach the same. So here what you can do is, this is the name and this is the format, file format. When you save as, is going to be comma separated value, that is CSV format .csv, and go and save it. Since it is already saved, I'm not going to save it again. I'm just going to close and show you how to just upload. Okay, so I'm going to go to the desktop and upload my file. So yes, this is the file. I'm going to just upload and see the preview. Yes, this is how your the once you upload, this is going to show you as a preview. If you think everything is correct, you can go and check once again and see everything is correct. So now, yes, proceed with import. So click on proceed with import. Once it gets imported, it will show you yes, it is imported. So hooray, here we have successfully imported all your customer. View the customers. Now you can see those two customers that I have imported, Think Prudent and Right Finance Private Limited. So these two are imported. Now you can go, and this is already uploaded. If at any point of time you have to edit anything, you can go and edit here, delete here. So all this is all about you, how to upload your customer or create your customer account. So with this, I'll end this lecture and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.